There is a broad array of processes that geologists call mass wasting. These four are all considered to be relatively rapid forms. Click on each image to learn more. Slump refers to the downward sliding of a mass moving as a unit along a curved surface of rupture. Slump commonly occurs because a slope has been oversteepened. Rock slides frequently occur in high mountain areas. They are sudden and rapid movements that happen when detached segments of bedrock break loose and slide downslope. Debris flow is a relatively rapid type of mass wasting that involves the flow of soil and rock debris containing a large amount of water. Earth flows most often form on hillsides in humid regions during times of heavy rains or snowmelt. A great deal of mass wasting is imperceptibly slow. In fact, these slow processes move more material than the faster processes treated earlier. Click on each image to learn more. Creep involves the imperceptibly slow downhill movement of soil and weathered debris. Although the process cannot be observed directly, its effects can be seen. Solifluction occurs when saturated soil flows downslope at a rate of a few millimeters or a few centimeters per day or per year. It is common wherever water cannot escape from the saturated surface layer by infiltrating to deeper levels.